Jack. Hi. Say hi. My name's Jack. It's November 21st, so I am 19 days old. And this is the time that I'm most awake in the morning. At 7:30, right when I wake up. 6:30 or 7:30. We're most awake and alert, and we don't cry a lot. Yeah, and we're waiting to eat. Just hanging out. Watching the kitties and mommy. And sometimes we suck on her thumb. It's very cute. Are you gonna get your thumb, Jack? Oh, Jack. Hi. You gonna get your thumb? Jack. What? Tell me all about it. Oh my. You don't say. Okay. Really? What's that noise? Oh, I think you're hungry. Say bye, everybody.